In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method on eBay. A comprehensive tutorial, perfect for beginners. Whether you're new to eBay or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through each step clearly and concisely to ensure you're set up for smooth transactions on the platform. So let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to access your eBay account settings. This is the key path to managing all your account-related details and preferences, including your payment options. So start by logging into your eBay account. Once you're logged in, look for your account icon typically found in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this will present you with a drop-down menu from which you will select Account Settings. This is your control panel where you can handle everything regarding your eBay account. Next, you'll want to focus on the Payments section. In the account settings, you should see an option labeled Payments. Clicking on this takes you to the area dedicated to managing how you pay for things on eBay. It will typically show you any existing payment methods you've got linked, but today we're concentrating on adding a new one. Once you're in the Payments section, find and click on the Add Payment Method button. This will prompt a new window or section to open where you can begin entering your payment details. It's crucial to double-check these details for accuracy. Things like your card number, expiration date, and CVV are essential to validate the payment method. Also, if you're opting to add a bank account or linking a service like PayPal, make sure you have the relevant login details or bank routing numbers handy. After entering the necessary information, it's time to save these new details. You'll notice a Save button, and pressing it will complete the process. It will confirm that your new payment method has been added and is ready for use. Congratulations, you've successfully set up a new payment method on eBay. Before we wrap up, here's a quick pro tip. Always ensure that your payment information is kept up to date to avoid any disruption in purchases. Additionally, for security, consider enabling two-factor authentication on your account for an extra layer of protection. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Feel free to leave any comments or questions down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly guides. Happy shopping on eBay!